Cleaning validation, what regulators expect and where teams slip. Cleaning validation exists to prevent cross-contamination and protect product quality. Regulators expect written procedures, cleaning logs, risk assessments, and science-based limits. What gets teams into trouble is rarely the regulation itself, it's the manual work around it. Cleaning validation is not just about proving equipment was cleaned once. Regulators expect lifecycle control, from setting limits and worst-case rationale to verifying cleaning effectiveness and staying inspection-ready as products, equipment, and processes change. This is where teams often slip: manual calculations, weak worst-case logic, and fragmented data. Residue, carryover, and shared surface area calculations are slow and error-prone. Worst-case selection requires a science-based, risk-based rationale. When data is spread across LIMS, MES, ERP, and spreadsheets, updates and impact assessments get difficult. Without lifecycle control and traceability, risks build quickly. If your team is still relying on manual processes for cleaning validation, take a look at ValGenesis iClean. See how digital workflows, automated MACO calculations, and real-time oversight can help you stay audit-ready and move faster through changeovers. Visit ValGenesis.com.